Now he also let me look at this triple chime movement. Now this is a Hermle 1051-051 movement. It says so right there. I've looked on eBay, I looked online. All the ones on eBay and online do not have this setup here. This has got an extra lever, which is right here, that moves this back and forth. And as the hands turn, it doesn't matter which position you have that in, those two wheels turn. Let me do that again. I don't think you've seen it on camera. As I rotate the hand, in any position, these two wheels turn. I think that this, because it has two holes in it, and because this has got another hole in it down here, that a spring or a lever should be connected to this. That way you can move the levers. There's only one slot in the dial. It could also be, there's actually threads in that hole right there. It could also be, maybe they made this movement for different types of clocks. Just like on Seth Thomas 4-bell clocks, a lot of times the bells have got 5 bells instead of 4 bells in the case, but it's a Seth Thomas 4-bell sonora clock. So a lot of times they use the nesting of 5 bells for 4 bells sonora clocks. And so this might be for a different setup versus what this clock is. He has a friend that he's going to contact this morning sometime and ask him if he could bring this, just so he could say what this is for, because I honestly have no idea what it's for. And with the Hermle setup, this right here is what is for the hour. As soon as this pin here drops down, then this lever here drops down, and then this next section is for the quarter of the hour. Both the strike and the chime has got a wheel with a pin in it. A lot of people have trouble setting these clocks, and you have to understand that the strike isn't going to strike until this lever here drops all the way down to bypass that pin. And the only time it's going to drop all the way down, you should be able to see it right now. Sorry, I just moved it out of the way. The lever dropped. Right now, the pen is riding along that tab. Preventing it from striking. And as soon as this lever drops all the way down, the pen moves out of the way, and now it strikes. So again, this is an unusual movement, because all the ones that I've seen on eBay and Google search did not, and there's brand new, sorry, not brand new, it might be brand new, I don't know. But anyway, none of them have got this wheel and this wheel and this lever, this extra lever right here. Again, I'm not for sure what this lever does. There's a spring inside this section here to bring that lever back. You see, I'm moving it, and the spring is causing it to go back. So, again, I don't know what this stupid lever is for, and I don't know what this wheel is for. I thought maybe a calendar system, but the clock doesn't have a calendar system on it. That's why I like coming up to my friend's house, because I work on unique things. I work on stuff that I've never seen before, never touched before, never worked on before. And so, he trusts me enough because I'm pretty good at diagnosing. It might take me a few hours depending on how I feel, but I'm pretty good at diagnosing issues. So again, we worked on the Hermle 1051-051, and we worked on this Josh movement PL42, made in Germany. This is that triple chime clock that I worked on. This is also that clock that Steve Fowler carved a leaf on. He does a great job. Is it Memorex or is it real? Steve Fowler carved one of these leaves on it. But this is that triple chime clock that we got up and running, and it sounds beautiful. I'm not going to mess with the chimes because my buddy is synchronizing the time because he's got this one sold. And so then this is the case for the Ava Marie Westminster clock that has that Joust movement in it. It's a beautiful case.